Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to rectify the replacement of the broken CV joint. Okay, so this is a tutorial. So first, you need to remove the tire. The tires will be removed. After removing the tires, place it downside so that for safety, just in case it falls. Then we're going to raise the car, and this will be removed. Also the lower arm will be removed, this one and this one, so that we can able to remove the drive shaft. As you see here, there is a leakage. CV joint rubber boot. That is how easy to remove the drive shaft lock nut. And then for the steering rod, the steering link we remove. This is a complete tutorial how you going to remove the CV joint replacement. If you are still watching until this video, till this segment, please like and subscribe. Then the ABS sensor is getting removed. There it is. And then it was being hammered so that this fall off. Also the caliper, the brake caliper was removed. Now as you can see, the drive shaft is out. Okay, so we have pulled out the drive shaft. And now the rubber boot is getting removed. So the clip was removed. Spring inside. That is the snap ring or insert clip. This one hot. There it is. So basically this car doesn't have any noise when reversing or turning. It's just the leaking from the rubber wood. Now the rubber that's been removed. Okay, so this we replace the rubber boot, install the boot, and now we are fixing the bearings. Okay, so all is well. Now we have to put the grease. And we put the grease inside the hub. Then he needs to put the lock ring inside. Where is the lock ring? No, you have there is lock ring. Huh? Okay. So the lock ring will be inserted.
काम सिखा रहा है क्या उधर? ये उसको उधर वीडियो में काम सिखा रहा है क्या? हाँ ब्रो.
Okay. Again. So now when the lock ring is engaged, this will not come out. Okay. So that's the function of the lock ring. Then the clip. Now he's closing the clips and cutting it.
वेट कर रहा? तो मुझे तो अभी और आधा घंटा लगेगा ना.
Next is to install the other clip on the lower bottom side.
मैं करता हूँ उसको मैसेज. मैं करता हूँ भाई, मैं करता हूँ. मैं यहीं पे हूँ, वहीं खड़ा हूँ उसी की दुकान में. टेंशन नहीं लो भाई.
Using the plier and screwdriver, the clip is getting tightened or tension. Once it is tensioned, then the lock will be engaged. And then cut the extra. Okay, so that is how to replace the drive shaft inner boot. So this is inner boot and there is outer boot. I'm going to insert it inside after repairing the boot. Just insert and find the proper slot. Once it is slotted, that will be pushed through and then insert to the hub, the wheel bearing assembly. Okay, so this is how it is. The help of screwdriver to align the holes, that's pushed through, and then this another one. There it is, and then the nut. Drive shaft nut, and the other two nut for the shock absorber mounting. And of course the wheel speed sensor of the ABS. Using the impact wrench, it's very easy to lock the then punch here also for the locking system, so that for safety it will not disengage. Okay, then the fix back all was whatever removed. It's the wheel speed sensor for the ABS. And then the brake caliper. If you are still watching to this period, please like and subscribe. Next is for the steering rack. And the counter knob for the safety nut. Oil is fixed. Now fixing the tire back with all the wheel nut. Then tightening of the wheel nut. That's it. So now you're seeing how to replace the drive shaft boot. Okay, please